Today we will be reviewing the procedure of removing and installing the fuser for the HP CP5525, M750 and M5225, part number CE707-67912. And we are going to use a CP5525 as our demo machine. We'll start by making sure the printer is off and unplugged for at least 15 minutes. And we'll approach the printer from the right side. There'll be no tools needed for this. It's a pretty simple procedure. Just pinch the blue handles, pull out, and reverse order to put it back in. Make sure it clicks into place on both sides to make sure it's secure. A couple repair notes on this. I'll leave the page count reset instructions below in the comments. And it has 140,000 page yield, and it's available at Metrofuser.com in a number of different options. And one important note is this is for the CP5525 series only. It will not work in the CP5225. They're very different. So for that, you'll see part number RM16083 if you do need that fuser. That's it. If you enjoy these videos, want to see more, please like and subscribe and visit us online, Metrofuser.com. Thank you.